Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and I'm looking at a book from Law Society Publishing called Managing People in a Legal Business. It's part of the Practice Management series, which is up there. You see, this is the book here, 220 pages, nice index at the back. A lot of detail. There's a basic standard text throughout. It's not sort of paragraph the way some of the Law Society publications are, but you've got, particularly in Chapter 8, Leadership in the Law Firm, an important series of common sense points of view, which I think assist immensely. You've also got tables, that sort of thing. And generally, it's a little treasure of a book, in my opinion. Now, Elizabeth and I have written a review which is on Flickr and the web. This is what we've said. We've given it the title Explaining the Legal Business for New Entrants, because that's what this is really about. We've wanted this book for a long time, with its blend of law and management, for the new arrival, and here it is. It's always useful to have a work such as this kicking around the office, providing a mixture for the lawyer and the human resources person, and looking at the business of law, because we are in a business. As by the barristers or solicitors, we are actually running a business. Many associated with law often forget, or possibly are even unaware, that it is business just like any other one, with all the usual problems which need to be identified and explained. So there's a lot of common sense in terms of the approach. Therefore, to achieve the goal, employment lawyer Jill Andrew and her diverse team of 13 experts have come up with a comprehensive advice, in our view, which guides both the uninitiated and the experienced in the whys and wherefores of our rapidly evolving new market in legal services, something many need for the pursuance of best practice. Now, all these titles in the Practice Management series from Law Society Publishing have produced a library collection of expert specialist books just for us as legal practitioners, and I'm very grateful that we've got them. The Law Society's remit naturally focuses on both the practical aspects of our professional work and the requirements of these specialist legal bodies. So with Managing People in a Legal Business, we've got a detailed series of statements covering very specific issues, from, say, recruitment and termination through equality, performance, and of course naturally health and safety. As I said, Leadership Chapter 8 is well worth reading, because I think that gives some very useful tips, bearing in mind that we are normally in a team and we have to have the proper type of leadership in order to be very successful. In her foreword, Dame Janet Gamer has said that the main focus assesses current development issues which we will face in law and business in the near future, placing emphasis on life cycles of professional talent which needs to be in place for the firm to succeed. And she concludes, summing up the great worth of particularly welcome and timely guidance material which is actually in this publication, and is actually the talent we seek as lawyers which will lead the legal business to a successful future, and obviously with an engagement through ability and aspiration. I know these sound rather sort of grand terms, but that's actually really what we should be striving for. So Jill Andrew and her team have done just this, in our view, with an explanation which many, wandering new in the legal dark, will gratefully benefit from as the torrent of new legislation and publications descends on all of us. So thank you very much to Law Society Publishing, Jill Andrew and the team, and it's an excellent little book. I shall treasure it. Thank you. Bye-bye.